Good morning, students. Today we will discuss our 12th class first poem, My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. She wrote most of her works under the pen name Madhvi Kutti. In this poem, she expresses her pain of anguish of separation, we can say, that she felt when she saw the aging sign of her mother, that the permanent separation of from her. And we can say that she expresses her feeling in this poem in a real way, in realistic way. In the poem we discuss that driving from my parents' home, that one day she came to meet her parents at their parental home, and now she was going back to Cochin, and she was in the way when she expresses her all over the journey in the car with her mother, that she expresses driving from my parents' home. She was driving from her parents' home to Cochin in a car to reach the destination at airport, and last Friday morning, and this incident happened on the last Friday morning. She expresses that her feeling in the words, I saw my mother beside me. When I saw, that means poetess here wants to say that she saw the aging sign of her mother's on the face. She feel that she was dozing, that she was sleeping, and her mouth was open. That means open mouthed here represent that when she was sleeping, her mouth was open. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. Here, like word indicate that simile utilized here. Simile, the figure of speech. In most of the cases we use simile when comparison is occurred with a thing to a living being or another thing, we can say. That here ashen, that means ashen like ash. That means dark thing, we can say, dull things, we can say, is compared with that means the face of the mother is compared with the corpse, dead body. Corpse here represent that dead body. And poetess here compared her mother's face is same as a dead body when she looked at her mother during the journey. And she realized with pain. And she realizes the pain of aging sign, and she realizes the pain of anguish of separation. We can say in the real way that she realized she was as old as she looked. At the age of 66, her mother looked as old as the age indicates us. But soon put that thought away. Poetess wants to deny the reality, and she moved away from that real thought that comes in her mind and looked out at trees sprinting. That sprinting here we can say the running of race. When we journey from bus, train or any other vehicle, we usually see that the trees are running behind in the opposite direction, we can say. And the same scene she was seeing outside the window. And she saw that trees were sprinting, that trees were running a race. The merry children spilling out of their homes. Here we can say that merry means happy. Those are happy children. That means she reminds her childhood during the journey also. That when she saw the merry children spilling out of their homes. When she saw that there are so many happy children came out of their home for playing, and now she realizes her back. That means her childhood. In her childhood she was also happy, and the same feeling of losing her mother came in her mind, when she was child, and same feeling, but then the feeling was not permanent. At that time she was feeling the permanent fear of losing her mother due to the aging sign of her mother's death. In the next phase we will discuss the next paragraph left out poems, and I also want to tell you that this poem is written in a blank verse, and in this poem poetess used so many hearty feeling, we can say, and expresses her anguish for her mother and feeling of separation in her life, and she expresses almost in a very beautiful way. And thank you, have a nice day.